Hi everybody, my name is Miss Melanie and I'm the events manager at the Foundry Art Center. Now normally I would be the one who would be taking care of weddings and different events at the Foundry, but today I asked if I could read you one of my absolute favorite stories. And this is a story by the author Laura Numeroff. Now I used to be a preschool teacher and so I love to read stories and I used to sell books, and she's always been one of my favorite authors, and she writes the mouse books and lots of different other ones. So today I'm going to read you If You Give a Pig a Pancake, because I love pancakes, and when I eat pancakes I'm kind of a pig. So I'm going to read this story for you today, If You Give a Pig a Pancake. If you give a pig a pancake, she'll want some syrup to go with it. You'll give her some of your favorite maple syrup. She'll probably get all sticky. So she'll want to take a bath. She'll ask you for some bubbles. When you give her the bubbles, she'll probably ask you for a toy, so you'll have to find your rubber duck. The duck will remind her of the farm where she was born. She might feel homesick and she'll want to visit her family. She'll want you to come too. She'll look through your closet for a suitcase. She'll look under your bed. When she's under the bed, she'll find your old tap shoes. She'll try them on, and she'll probably need something special to wear with them. And when she's all dressed, she'll ask you for some music. You'll play your very best piano piece, and she'll start dancing. Then she'll want you to take her picture. So you'll have to get your camera. And when she sees the picture, she'll ask you to take more, and then she'll want to send one to each of her friends. You'll have to give her some envelopes and stamps. And take her to the mailbox. And on the way, she'll see the tree in your backyard. She'll want to build a tree house. So you'll have to get her some wood, a hammer, and some nails. And when the tree house is finished, she'll want to decorate it. She'll ask for wallpaper and glue. And when she hangs the wallpaper, she'll get all sticky. And feeling sticky will remind her of your favorite maple syrup. And she'll probably ask you for some. And chances are, if she asks you for some syrup, she'll want a pancake to go with it. The end. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do a little craft, and we're going to make some little paper pancakes for you to play with at home. Thanks for joining me for my story.